Hi friends, I'm Bo. Let's get our brains and bodies ready to read. Do you love letters? Yes, I do too. Do you know something neat about letters? Every letter has a big letter and a small letter. Do you want to meet a letter today? Okay, let's meet the letter S. These words start with S. Shark, spaghetti, and spoon. Shark, spaghetti, and spoon. I'll start with S. Great job! Would you like to draw the letter S with me? Yes? Okay. Which one would you like to draw first? The big S or the little s? Okay, let's draw the big S first. The letter S looks like a snake. Start at the head and end at the tail. Great job drawing a big S. Now let's draw the little s. Remember, it's much smaller. The letter S looks like a snake. Start at the head and end at the tail. Great job, friends. Let's do that again. The letter S looks like a snake. Start at the head and end at the tail. Do you remember what letter we learned today? That's right, the letter S. Thank you for learning and moving with us. Bye for now.